Did you know that 64% of people trust government communications more than any other source during a crisis? Yet, many government agencies struggle to effectively communicate with the public and media. Many government organizations face challenges in conveying complex policies, responding to media inquiries, and maintaining public trust. Without proper training, agencies often find themselves reactive rather than proactive in their communications, leading to misunderstandings, negative press coverage, and eroded public confidence. At a personal level, government employees tasked with communication roles often feel overwhelmed by the scrutiny and responsibility. They may struggle with crafting clear messages, lack confidence in media interactions, or find it challenging to navigate the delicate balance between transparency and confidentiality. This can result in inconsistent messaging, missed opportunities to showcase agency achievements, and increased stress levels among staff. This comprehensive course steps in to address these challenges head-on. By providing in-depth training on government communication strategies, media relations techniques, and public relations best practices, it equips both agencies and individuals with the tools they need to excel in public sector communications. The benefits of this course are substantial. Participants will learn to develop effective communication strategies, master the art of crafting clear and concise messages for diverse audiences, and acquire skills in handling media inquiries and press conferences. They'll also explore crisis communication techniques, social media strategies for government agencies, and methods for measuring communication effectiveness. For government organizations, the impact of this training can be transformative. Agencies will see improvements in public perception, enhanced media relations, and more effective dissemination of important information to citizens. This can lead to increased public trust, better policy implementation, and a more informed and engaged citizenry. On a personal and team level, employees will experience a significant boost in their communication capabilities. They'll be able to represent their agencies more confidently, contribute to strategic communication planning, and handle challenging media situations with poise. Teams will collaborate more effectively on communication projects, ensuring consistent and impactful messaging across all channels. Don't let communication challenges undermine your agency's effectiveness and public trust. Empower your team with the knowledge and skills they need to excel in government communications, media relations, and public relations. Enroll in this training course today and take the first step towards mastering the art of public sector communication. Your journey to becoming a skilled government communicator starts here. Seize this opportunity to enhance your agency's reputation and better serve your citizens through effective communication.